I've been sitting here thinking about all the things you do for me, how you make me feel. But wondering if it's the same for you. But when you're not around, I lose my mind, 'cause you keep it like a secret. Why won't you reveal it? Just please tell me that you feel it too. Tell me we're in this for two. Tell me that you really care for me. I really believe it's safe to say that I'm half without you. We're just meant to be. I hope you're feeling the same way too, 'cause every moment you're near, it's far too clear